Alright guys, this is another one we're going to change around. Gas installation of the stove. This pipe on is crooked and we're going to change it up a little bit. Alright, make sure you subscribe to my page, like my videos, so I could, do content that you guys could learn and understand about a little bit of plumbing, and you can share. Remember, working with gas in the state of Massachusetts, you need a gas permit and a licensed professional. All right, third floor. This is a third floor apartment. All right, guys. Like I said, right, we got the anti-tip bracket again. We just repiped this, dope that up. I'm gonna purge this out a little bit. I got the gas on. All right, purge it out a little bit, and all right, and then we just piped it again. A little bit of gas piping for this third floor stove. All right, make sure you, like I said, make sure you subscribe to my video, like it. Any questions, you feel free to ask. Third floor of this 3-family. All right, guys, have a good night. All right, guys, I got the gas on. I'm just gonna do, like I said, a little bit of testing. Right, soap everything down. All right, you want to have the soap. Very important. We don't want nothing to happen, right, guys? All right. If you see the bubble up, then you have a leak. But all right, I'm gonna do soap this string right here. All right. Nice. Very good. All right, guys, that's this informative video of gas.